Hey everybody, it's Chris with Out West with Chris, and I'm back out here at Lazy M Marina. I was out here a few days ago and did pretty good. I also came out here yesterday and I did actually really good. I caught a lot of fish. I caught about 9 or 10 fish, and actually ran into a couple guys that have seen some videos, some kayak anglers who have seen a couple of videos. So shout out to Joel and Joel's brother. I didn't catch your name. It's high tide. Really calm out here right now, and it's about 7 in the morning. I'm looking forward to catching some fish. Hopefully I can get back on them. I've been having good luck out here with spinner baits, just dragging them through the weeds nice and slow, and the fish seem to like it. Most of the fish I've been catching are kind of smallish. I've had a few decent ones. I'm hoping I can get into a nice big bass this time out. So let's get going, and hope you enjoy. There's my first fish. All right, first fish of the day. He's decent. Nothing huge, but good to have one on, not skunked. Let's let him go. It's gonna be pretty hot today, so need to keep hydrated. And I can get into a couple more fish today. Speak of the devil. Here's a little guy. But he swims. Small. Got another one. He hooked up about 4 feet from the boat. He really wanted it. Little guy. There's a fish. Ooh. Come on. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Damn it. He went into the weeds and it busted me off. Damn. Hate losing fish. He was a good little fighter. He wasn't that big, I don't think. I didn't see him. But he went straight for the weed mat and got underneath it, and I couldn't get him pinned up fast enough. So, oh well. Damn it, the drag is set way too loose. Oh, he's a jumper. He's not that big, but he fought. Whew. Not too bad. Wake boat. You know what? I just realized this wake boat's gonna jack me up against these rocks. Okay, there we go. Better. So what I'm using today is a spinnerbait. It's got 2 Colorado blades on it, and it's got a pretty heavy head on it. And what I'm doing is I'm throwing it on the levee, and I'm just bouncing it on the rock. There's also a big weed bed over here, and I'm hitting the outsides of it or dragging it through. So one thing about this is, you know, since there's so many weeds out here, you're going to be cleaning your lure a lot, but it puts the lure right in front of the fish. These fish are hanging out in these little gaps between the bank and the weed beds in the rocks. And so when you're bouncing it on the rocks, just slowly, they go for it. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for me today. Had a good time out here at Lazy M this morning. Check out Lazy M sometime. It seems like it's got some decent fishing. I've done decent 3 times in a row out here now. So had a good time fishing today. Caught, I can't even remember, like 4 or 5. You know, nothing huge. Still had a good time. But hey, if you like what you see, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. I've got more kayak fishing videos coming at you.